5 songs, 1 pattern. Lady, running down to the Riptide. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. Lately, I've been losing sleep. I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Wait for this for a while now. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. Hi everyone, we're gonna play 5 songs with the same strumming pattern. These are just snippets of the songs. Some of the songs might have different strumming patterns throughout. The strumming pattern itself is pretty simple, but when you hear it, it sounds difficult because it's usually played quickly. We're gonna start by playing an A minor to practice the strumming pattern. It sounds like this. For strum directions, it would be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Slow-mo. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. I highly recommend using a pick. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. The key to this is playing the pattern really quickly. Very fast as you can play it. Ah, I got tense. The first song is Ho Hey, and it sounds like this. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. We're gonna do 1 pattern on A minor, 1 pattern on G, and 2 patterns on C. The next song is Riptide, and it's the exact same thing, so we actually don't have to learn it. But if you want to practice it again, you can. Lady, running down to the Riptide, taking away to the dark side. I want to be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. The next one is Wake Me Up by Avicii. Sounds like this. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. That's 1 pattern on A minor, 1 pattern on F, 1 pattern on C, 1 pattern on G. The next one is Counting Stars. It sounds like this. Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. We're gonna play 2 patterns on A minor, 2 patterns on C, 2 patterns on G, 2 patterns on F. And the next one is On Top of the World. Sounds like this. So I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Wait for this for a while now. Paid my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, hey. Been holding it in for a while, yeah. Take it with me if I can. We're gonna play 2 patterns on F, 2 patterns on C, 2 patterns on G, 2 patterns on D minor. Now that you know this pattern, you can play 5 songs. Yeah, yo! 'Cause I'm on top of the world.